Okie dokie, artichoke. I don't feel like I'm in a funny, fun, energetic mood right now. Okay. Get some caffeine in, then I'll make the muffins. What am I gonna talk about? Let's see what my blog says. What does it say, girl? What does it say? Fiddlesticks. My phone is going so slow, so slow. These egg muffins. I wonder if the lighting sucks as bad as I think it does. It was such a lovely day. So I ran my errands and I exercised and I got out of the shower and the sun was gone. Y'all, the sun was gone. It was gone. I don't know where it went. No, but seriously, it was such a nice day and I checked the weather and it said it was just gonna be, you know, a few clouds. It lied. The weatherman lied. I'm sorry, the weather app lied. It lied. How do people change their accents? I am gonna make these muffins because I'm hungry.